Hey guys, I'm Buddy Valastro and welcome to Fast Cakes, where we make cakes at the speed of life. Today I'm gonna make something awesome. Chocolate chip cookie cake. I mean, think about it. Cookie cake, baby! My favorite part of this cake is it's so easy and so fast. Anybody can make it. You make it right at home. You probably got the ingredients in your kitchen right now. Unless you're my sister Grace, who's got nothing in her kitchen because you don't cook. Sorry, Grace. What you're gonna need for this cake is your go-to chocolate chip cookie recipe or store-bought chocolate chip cookie dough, pre-made. However you wanna do it, it all works. So I mixed up some of my chocolate chip cookie dough. And what I'm gonna do is I have my cake forms here, and I'm gonna kind of spread this out into 3 separate little tins, or these are paper forms, which are actually really good to bake in. There's no cleanup. And this is such a fun one to make with kids because they like playing with the cookie dough and eating some raw cookie dough. Kind of everybody's a little guilty of that. So I'm just gonna kind of smash it down, all 3 of these guys, because we're gonna have a 3-layer cookie dough cake. I like that. Then I'm gonna stick these in the oven to bake. After that, I'm gonna show you how to finish off this cookie cake. All right, guys, so now that our cookie cake is all baked, right? What I'm gonna do is just put a little bit of icing down. And I like to use like a really sweet icing with this, you know, like something that you would ice a cake with, like a store-bought one. Not that I bought mine in the store, just saying. So I'm going to put some of the icing on. I'm gonna put the next layer. Cookie cake time, baby. Gonna make a nice sandwich. Take this last guy out over here. Okay, push it down. And this is so much fun. You know, so we're just gonna do a little blobbity blob on top. Put some sprinkles on it. Because who doesn't like sprinkles? You could even throw a couple on the side so they stick. Then we'll take some cookies, because I made a couple chocolate chips. Just gonna kind of like stick these guys up. Got some with some M&Ms on top, whatever floats your boat. And then we're gonna finish it. A little bit of chocolate. Look at that. Cookie cake, baby! What do you think? Let us know in the comments what you think of my cookie cake. And make sure to share this video with your friends. And most importantly to me, subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Ciao.